Hi guys, welcome back to another photo editing tutorial. In this quick and amazing photo editing tutorial, I will show you how to turn simple house design into eye-catching, professional, stylish and beautiful house design. First of all, select a photo, adjust the photo, change the color of the house, select color filter, change borderline color by clicking on stroke option, select the stroke, adjust the stroke, then click on 3D shape option to make the house more professional, eye-catching. The path 10x rotation. Now your house design is ready. Then change the overall background color. Select color option. Adjust the color. I hope you will like this type of editing. Please like, share video with your friends. Thanks for watching my all viewers and see you in next tutorial.